Wait!
So, it looks like we're ready to go with everything. Floyd don't think it's a good idea for us to meet at the condo, so maybe we should...
Tell Floyd it is a good idea to meet at the condo. It's a great idea. And tell him we need chips and dip and prostitutes.
Easily, and I'm living so great. Pop Molly.
Wait, Floyd! Hey! You guys, I'm expecting company, all right? Want this place cleaned. Wade, you tidy. Floyd, massage.
No, I really
Do
don't...
you want me to get my dick out again?
No.
Does anyone want that?
No, you're right.
Hey, bro, what's up?
Oh, hey, bro, you're late. 9 years fucking late. You know, you're so late, in fact, that you have no right to call me bro. Is that clear?
Shut the fuck up. You're like a broken fucking record.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're like a shit. Exactly like a shit. Where's the assistant?
On his way.
Kid idolized this. Creeps.
Yo,
Frankie, we were just talking about you. Nattering. You know how it is.
Yeah, whatever, man. So what we doing here?
We're working, amigo. Taking a score. Yeah, done most of the planning, and I think we're gonna literally make out like bandits on this.
Did you talk to Lester?
Yeah, I called him. Apparently he's in the hospital having his vagina cleaned or some shit.
He's got a wasting disease.
20% saved.
No, that's not how we work.
Well, you'll forgive me, but that's how we're gonna work this time, all right? We're doing it my way, because as I recall the last time when we did it your way, we all got shot at, you got buried, resurrected, turned into a twat, and Brad ended up in a fucking prison!
Yeah, and Lester told us not to do that job, but we did it anyway.
And Lester sings pretty good, man.
Would you shut the fuck up, all right? And you, Michael, owe me, all right? So this time, we do things my way.
Yeah, and what about after this?
After this, we think about things.
So what's the plan?
Easy. We are sinking a freighter into Los Santos Harbor, all right? Now, Daddy's little helper, you're gonna be on the bridge, all right? You're the lookout. And you're boarding the freighter and planting charges. Me, I'm running the deep water salvage operation with a little help from my friends. You, fat man, of course, well, you're not one of those friends.
Which part is easy, though?
Oh, for fuck's... Where'd you get the pussy, Mikey?
Man, fuck you!
Ah, better! I like that. Fuck you. Good. All right, now let's go make some money, ladies, huh?
Brilliant. Don't be a dick.
Oh, your wish is my commando, master. Let's go, Junior. Hey, Wade, get Michael a wetsuit, all right? Take him to the boat. Oh. Hurry it up. We need some transport, don't we?
Hold on.
I'm dropping you on the Port City side of the Miriam Turner overpass, all right? Almost forgot.
So you want...
Okay.
Here's the rifle with a thermal scope.
Almost forgot. I was kind of sold on like a well-organized job, planned out, with Lester's weird eye for detail.
I got an eye for details, kid. Little details like your brick of blow being drywall.
Okay, man. I'm grateful for that, dog, but buying cocaine is a whole different thing from sinking a container ship into a harbor.
Not really, kid. It's all about what's inside.
Cool, so what's the thing, man?
I don't know what it is, but I know it's important. You heard of Meriwether?
Yeah, maybe.
Meriwether Security Consulting, the company our government uses to fight its wars and protect its shady interests all over the planet.
They're the army?
They're like the army, only they're private, so they cost more. Anyway, they've just been cleared to take government contracts on U.S. soil. And what's one of the first on the list?
This container at the port?
Exactamundo! So it's gotta be valuable, right? Anyway, it doesn't matter, because your job is not to understand, it's to shoot at people who try to stop us. I'm stopping the car in the median here. Head to your shooter's nest and call Mike.
All right, man, whatever. Shit. Hey, dog, I'm in position. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, F, I'm in position. Damn, that's a long way up. So make sure I don't run into any trouble when I get there. Fucking Trevor.
All right, I got you, homie.
Hey, yo, there's two guards. These are bad dudes, right? I read up about these fools online. Yeah, they're a nasty bunch.
It's clear, man. Climb aboard.
Things I do for old friends.
T-pick 4 spots for the bombs. Keep an eye on me, okay?
There's some serious manpower on this ship. First bomb is planted and armed. I'm moving up to the next position. Hey, do this quick, man. I don't know how much backup they got below deck. I can do it quick or I can do it right, okay? Looks clear. Rig the bomb. Hey, ain't you gonna set up that bomb?
Second bomb's in place. We're halfway there.
Hey, if this is Trevor's thing, why ain't he doing any of the wet work?
Because he's screwing around in a submarine. I don't know how we got roped into this shit.
I'm going. You see him? He's gotta go. Hey, you got a clear path. Plant the bomb.
Identify yourself!
His patrol is over. Frank! Shit!
Third bomb down. Last one's in. Doors.
Hey, come to the side of the ship. I'll clear the engines for you.
Take him.
Way is a level up. I'm going in. Hey, Harley, be careful. They looking for you. This I know. The sooner you get back where I can see you. Oh, shit. Here we go. Mike, man, they coming. Get out of here. Hey, more guys in the port. They see me. Shit. I'll clear as many as I can from the front of the ship. This ain't cool, man. I'm planning a charge. Okay, do it and get out of here. Shit, what's that? There's an attack chopper coming after me, dog. Damn, this is screwed. Getting worked up ain't gonna help. Just take it out. Second time up there, I was you a trip. And the second time I had one of these containers. Yeah, I knew you could do it. I'll deal with the rest of these fools. Hey, you got some space outside this shit. All right, I'm coming out on the top floor. Once I'm clear of the ship, detonate. Go, man, I got you. I'm going down these stairs. Guard, keep at the cabin after me. Guard! You're clear. Hey, you see those guys? I'll worry about the guys. You worry about getting out. Stern of the ship. More guys. It's clear. Here I go. I'm making a run for the north side. Ah! Shit, I'm clear. You can blow the charges. That's on your cell, man.
Get away from the ship. They going up.
Back in that stinking water. I'm in the drink, T. Where you at?
Not far out, so you better find this thing quick. The scat eater dive gear will be reading its signal.
Okay. What sort of signals it giving off?
The kind that gets crazier the closer you get. Find it. I'll come in and pick it up.
I should be closing in on it.
Tell me you got it.
There's a light. That must be it.
Is it it? Or isn't it it?
I got it. All right, I'm on the way.
was, it wouldn't be top secret or very valuable, would it?
It ain't doing anything to the water, is it? I'm swimming around in this.
Well, it could give you powers, turn you into impotent rage. Nah, just take a shower after, you'll be fine.
How did I let myself get talked into this?
There it is. I'm grabbing it. Hey, watch it! I'm right here!
Hey, go easy with that thing. We'll tell them what it can do. So, am I done down here?
Yeah, you're done. The team's meeting at Pier 400 for a debrief. Beers are on me.
I'll stay for one.
That's what you always say.
Yeah, well, I mean it now.
Floyd, come in. I got the package. I get the doc?
Sir, yeah, I'm here. I heard gunshots and explosions.
Keep it together. I'll be there soon. Floyd, I'm coming in. Get the crane ready. Here I am.
Man, you can say whatever you want about Trevor, but shit, he got it done.
Yep, let's hope so.
Hey, is that Lester? What? Hey, man, what the fuck you doing here?
You should be in bed.
Yes, I should be. I would be if certain known associates weren't busy making themselves enemies of the state. You know, the FIB, Meriwether, IAA. You can fuck with them all day long. But when you try and steal an experimental super weapon and sell it to the Chinese, you and everyone you ever knew is gonna be fucked in the ass, you fucking chumps!
Hold on, man. A super weapon? The Chinese, what?
What you think is in there?
I thought he talked to you.
All right, man, so what now?
Well, maybe I can organize to have it taken back and found amongst the wreckage.
Whoa! Holy fuck, Lester Crest! Holding on and looking good, huh?
Do you have any idea what you did here?
Yeah? I pulled a score. What, are you jealous because you didn't get your 20%?
That thing doesn't go back, then we will all end up on every watch list in the entire planet.
Watch list? So fucking what?
So they don't watch, they kill. Idiot, we'll all be dead within a week. Think! All right, listen. Take the truck, take a guy, do what you gotta do.
Trevor?
All loaded up. Trevor?
Great. Then you and the patient can take it all back. Right fucking now!
So you mean to tell me this shit was all for nothing? Man, it's the hood all over again. Fuck.
Come on, Franklin.
You owe me, Michael. I am owed. What you gonna do, huh?
I'll think of something. I gotta get Franklin some work, too. I'll take this.
Yeah. Lots of mouths to feed, amigo.
Tell me about it.